guys to the channel, and now we're back on the R1 again. So just like you saw last night, we finished up the airbox, and we also got the switch all done. So now let's go ahead and let's finish attacking the airbox, and let's get all the way down to the bottom of it, and let's figure out if we can get this thing off and see if there's any cracks underneath. So y'all already know the deal. Let's get started. So plan of action, let's go ahead and let's get this tank off right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the tank. We're gonna get it off, set it to the side, and then we're gonna investigate and see how to get these this airbox out. I kind of said the same thing already twice, but I think you needed 2 times. So we're hitting it with 2 times. All right, let's go, guys. All right, guys, so I was kind of doing a little bit of investigation on this. I want you to look right here. Hey, come over here, let me show you this. So we got a crack here. I mean, I can't believe I missed this last night. I guess yesterday when I took it off, everything was just really good together and I didn't see it. So now we definitely got to take it off, and also we have to address our little clip that's down in there. And I actually figured out where it come from. So we're gonna remove that clip right now too. So it appears that there's a screw here, here, and one, I mean it's 2 of them, and they're kind of hidden and hard to get to. So when I remove this, I'll show you the other 2 where they are. So let's go.
Cue the montage music.
Babe, I mean, like, nobody's gonna subscribe to the channel. Like, you just killing me, Smalls. You're killing me. What you trying to do?
It's my montage music.
Man, your montage music suck. And here is our piece. Now I'm gonna see, do this look familiar to any of you guys? And somebody hit me up in the comments before and figure out where this goes. So at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly where it goes. I feel like a fool, but hit the comment section. All right, you guys, so now it should just be ready to lift out of here. So let's just give it a little pull. Oh yes, she's loose. And pop this puppy off here. There it is. There she is. What do you think, babe?
Oh, that was easy.
So easy you could have done it, right?
I'm not sure whether to be flattered or insulted at that.
Yeah. Wow, I'm gonna let you weld this up today. So here's the crack. As you see, it's really split pretty badly, but I can repair it with the plastic welder. So this is not a huge deal right here. So just like we did last night, I will be doing this again today and getting this repaired and fixed. So now we got the airbox off. I want to go ahead and put the switch on right now, the one that we changed out yesterday. And we're gonna get that replaced, and then we'll jump back onto the airbox and get that thing welded up and put all of these pieces back on. And I also need to clean the air filter that's on it too. It has a lot of trash in it, and it's a washable K&N air filter. And then we're gonna get that puppy back on too. So let's go ahead and get this thing buttoned up. Alright guys, sing it with me. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Call your brother. Alright, man, we got another issue right here. Once again, for the 1000th time in a row. So the new key switch the other wire plugged in fantastic. This is the factory side, and this is the new key switch side. They will not go in here together because they are made differently. So therefore, I'm gonna have to take this end off and take the end off my old key switch and put it onto here. So, and then we can have love and marriage. All right, you guys. I'm tired of having problems on this bike. This bike should have been done yesterday. Man, that fart stink. All right, guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get
take 5.
All right, take 5. All right, I'm trying to get this bike done, but I keep running into issues. Just forget it, guys. So while we're waiting for the electric iron, the welding iron to get heated up, we're gonna go ahead and throw on our new wheel fairing on. First, we need to take off of these grommets and put them onto the new fairing, and then we'll bolt it on. So, let's go. All right, guys, so here's the airbox. Like I showed you before, the cracks on it, it's pretty significant, but this is no problem. I'm gonna weld it up and make it look like OEM. So let's get started. Bam, you guys, just like that. The airbox is complete. Come over here and take a look at it. Tell me what y'all think about it. It ain't the sexiest thing in the world, but you know, like I say, it's gonna be hidden. There's no air hole, no gaps in it. This is because I filled it from the inside, so we're good there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing on, and we're gonna get this part complete. Y'all know the deal. Let's get started.
Music. Is that like a
No,
fake
about
sneeze?
to sneeze, yeah.
Wait, you changed your
I
mind.
was about to sneeze. I like it just wanted to come, but it didn't come.
It looks like you're about to sneeze and think of something ingenious at the same time.
It probably looked ugly too. I probably had the ugliest face. Don't tell nobody.
Okay.
I tried. I hate it when you feel that sneeze coming on and just like, just can't come. Alright guys, the airbox is in, so y'all come here. Let me show you something. Tell me, see what y'all think. What do y'all think about it? Oh, I think we did it. I think we did it, guys. I think we got it. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop on. Let's put this upper fairing on. I'm really comfortable with everything that just happened inside the airbox. Oh, and I want to address this piece. So the little mystery orange piece, if you've seen in the last video, you probably heard something go inside the throttle body, and it was this. And on another note too, even though I was doing this to the throttle, electronic throttle, so the valves don't open unless it's on or started, and perhaps so. This is the piece and the culprit, and it goes right here. All right, don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. This is embarrassing.
Wouldn't it be hilarious if it didn't go on?
There we go. So this is it. So apparently when I was taking it off, I pulled it off and it slid it off some kind of way and fell inside the throttle body. I didn't hear it, but I did review the video and I seen it on that, so I had it already figured out beforehand. So we're just gonna slide this puppy back in here And the airbox is done, baby.
All right.
What you think, baby? What you think about it?
Great. It's very sturdy.
Now, she better sturdy, but man, just that little bit of plastic welding, man, that's good. And I encourage everyone, if you never did any plastic welding, at least try it. It's really no way of going wrong on plastic welding. It's kind of a simple thing to do. I kind of picked it up. I have a welding background, but plastic welding is simple. So before we get ready to put that front fairing on, I totally forgot I got to put my side piece on.
Hey.
Oh, sorry. I got to put the side piece on, and then we can throw on the front fairing.
On the bike.
On the bike, yeah, on the bike. All right, guys, we in there like swimwear. We already got this thing done now. The front end looks amazing. And I'm not even a fan of R1s, but she looks good though. So, guys, that's what we're gonna call it a date, because I gotta go take my wife out on a date. Yay. If you know what that is. So, we're gonna come back again tomorrow. I still got a few things to address before I put the side fairings on. And also, I still need to tighten up that exhaust. But man, pretty much, we are wrapping this thing up. I'm super excited to get this bike finished. So I just got to start slowing down because I just get too excited and I just keep going. So sometimes I get ahead of myself, and I'm sure some of you have the same problem as well. But with that being said, guys, follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so already, so you get the inside scoop before YouTube. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.